Hey guys, what's up? So I already started my eyebrows and I'm going to be using my NYX Correct Concealer and Contour palette to put it on my eyelids to conceal any veins that I have there and also to use that as a base for my eyeshadows. I missed you guys. I'll explain what happened in my next video. So I'm going to be using my little beauty blender sponge thingy to blend in that concealer, and then I'm going to be setting that with the Stay Matte Powder by Rimmel. And I'm using my Morphe M511 brush for this, which I fucking love. Never give it up. I need to get a new one because it's just like almost 2 years old. And I'm going to be using my Kylie bronze palette, and I'm going to be using the color Topaz, I think it's called. Yeah, that little taupe looking color. And I'm going to be using that as my transition shade because I am going to be creating like a semi-smoky eye. So next I'm just going to be using the color Citron. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's like that pretty orangey color, and I'm also going to put that on my crease, and I'm going to be blending it in with the Morphe 511 brush again. So yeah guys, you're probably going to see it in the video, but I did get braces. I have so much to talk to you guys about what happened to me, why the hell I've been missing for so long, but I promise you in the next video I will be talking about it. I miss you guys so much, but I just haven't had time to make any videos, and yeah, so hopefully I'll get back into this. Not hopefully, I am going to get back into it, but you already know, yeah. The next color I'm going to be using is Hematite, and I'm also going to be putting that on my crease, and of course blending it again with the M511 brush. When you're creating a smoky eye, the key to making smoky eyes is blending your fucking colors. I'm so serious. If you don't blend them shits, girl, your shit's going to be coming out looking crazy, and you're going to go outside like you're looking like a panda, okay? So, ya tú sabes. I like to add a little extra on the corner of my eye just to give it more of a, definition, I guess, or just more hey, yeah. So more of a definition on that outer corner. I always do that. I just like to do it myself. And then of course I'm going to be blending it with the M511 brush again. Then I'm going to be using the color Bronzite, and I'm going to be putting that again in my crease again and also in the outer corner, and I'm going to be blending it with the M511 brush. This is the smoky color that I was talking about, and I'm only going to be using this on the outer corners and blending it in because I'm going to do like a semi-cut crease, kind of. You're going to see what I'm going to do. And of course you have to blend it in. You really have to blend these colors in. That's how it feels when you blend. So I'm going to be using the concealer again, and I'm going to be creating the semi-cut crease effect on the eye. And I'm just using a cheap ass brush from Amazon. So I just like carve out like the eye up to the middle part, and then yeah, I blend it in with the eyeshadow later on. You're going to see. There you go. And I'm just setting it now with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder again because it is concealer and I don't want it to slip off my eyeshadows. So I'm going to be spraying my brush with a little mixed and set from e.l.f. and I'm going to be using the color Goldstone from the palette. Hey. And I'm going to be putting that on my eyelids. So I'm going to my aunt's wedding in this video. And at the end of the video, if you want to see how I looked, you can stay tuned. At the end of the video, you're going to see like a little mini Snapchat post of me, of my little outfit, and how the makeup came out with the Snapchat filter. Because it looks sometimes better with the filter. And then I'm going to be using my Sephora liquid liner, like always. And I'm going to be creating my wing. Then I'm going to be using my favorite mascara of all time, which is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm just going to be preparing my eyes for eyelashes. And then you know me, my dollar lashes from Amazon. Duh, like, really? And I'm using my Duo Lash Glue to put these shits on, because, yeah, you know, shorty needs to keep her eyelashes on all night. Don't need them shits flinging off on me while I'm dancing. And then I'm going to be using this LA Girl color corrector in green. I had a lot of pimples that day, so I really needed to cover them. And yeah, that's what I used to cover them. I'm on Accutane right now, so at that moment, my face was in the process of getting worse before getting better. So yeah, I had to use the green concealer to fix that problem. Then I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. And I'm going to be putting that all over my face. I love that foundation, but that one in general just makes me look really white. I think I picked the wrong color. The sponge that I always use to apply my foundation is the Real Techniques blending sponge. I think it's called that, but beauty sponge, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, the Real Techniques one. I love it. I love it. That's what I always use to put my foundation on. And you see how white I look, right? Then I'm using my LA Girl concealer in Toast, I think it is. Yeah, Toast. And I'm going to be contouring my face with that. Then I'm going to be blending it in because I OD'd. Oh my god. Then I'm going to be using my LA Girl concealer in beige, I think, natural beige, something like that. And I'm just going to be blending it in with a little sponge. Then I'm going to be using my combo of MAC Whirl and the, what lip liner? Oh, chestnut lip liner. That's going to be my combo for tonight. You know what? In this video, I actually forgot to apply blush and highlighter, which I did after I ended this video because I was such in a rush. I had to go. It was like 7:30 and the cab was going to be downstairs at freaking, not the cab, the limo was going to be downstairs at 8 and I'm still here doing my makeup. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I had so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching, and this is the final look with the Snapchat filter and my dress. Yeah, so if you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.
Me enamoré de ti sabiendo que no me amarías, sabiendo de que tienes dueño y que no podías. Y yo de insistente cada rato, mala mía. Ahora tú piensas en tu loquito, mami, todo el día. De nuestro hogar, mami, yo quisiera que vuelva otra vez. Yo quisiera tenerte aquí. Lírico en la casa. Ellos están buscando cámaras, yo estoy buscándome el efectivo. Me tratan de matar como que era les algo vivo. La cotorra que tengo lo manda para el intensivo. Soy su flaco, su lápiz. Yo si la pongo happy. Cuando le doy su salsa de yaki, tú pones la aquí. Marianela, 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 Marianela. ¿Qué pasa? Súbeme la música. Te estoy engañando con alguien, ese alguien estoy engañando contigo. Me quieres. tú me lo quito. Tú pues siempre mi loquita.